Welcome guys in my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to dub one of my Tagalog version of this control panel of freezer and chiller. It's a combine. So I received a request that I need to explain this in English. So here is it guys. I'm going to install the Dixell. The Dixell is my repaired. I only refurbish it. It has a problem. So this is how you're going to install the LED light indicators. So here I use strip, defrost, blower fan, and compressor. So here is the rotary switch. So just aim it, and it has a latch. And here in my place, the off button is up and lower for the on. So just use multimeter for this if you want to know where is the on off of this rotary switch. And here are they now guys: off, on, off, on. That's it. And here's are the contactors as well as the MCBs. They are all used. I did not use new here because of cost budgeting. The client is not willing to pay for the new MCBs and contactors. Therefore, I need to provide it because I'm going to pull out what is currently installed in his cold room and cool room. And here's how ugly it has: a broken plastic cover there. Here's the freezer side. They put overload on the contactor of the defrost for the freezer. So we're going to rectify these ugly wirings, the faulty connection from the control. Okay, so here is it now guys. I'm going to wire up the three-phase MCB going to the contactor. So I'm not going to use the Omron timer because what I'm going to use is the Dixell built-in timer, and the codes for that is the ODS. Okay, just put a value of 1 minute, a minimum of 2 minutes, 3 minutes. You're not going to you have a problem with their temperature once you follow the 3 minutes time delay. And then after that guys, I'm going to wire this third phase, which is the gray, going to the contactor. Welcome guys. I'm going to explain to you the RCD here. The RCD, this RCD is a 400 volts and the color codes is in accordance with the UK standard. The first, second, and third here, which is the brown, I put a load on the compressor side. Here is the compressor, which is the three-phase, and that brown wire is going to supply with the evaporator fan, the defrost here, and the now here, since the three-phase is only the freezer side compressor, now we're going to supply that MCB here. This is the compressor three-phase, and this evaporator fan is three-phase MCB, but I'm only supplying single phase because the evaporator fan is single phase. So this is the contactor for the evaporator fan or blower fan. And as you notice, we have the black for the second phase. So I supplied that second phase. It passed through here, and the supply defrost, I'm supplying the defrost and neutral attached here. So this three phase will become single phase, and I'm also supplying the chiller, compressor, and evaporator fan. So this is how I balance the facing of the three-phase. And after the black, we have the gray, which is our third phase, and it supply the control for the freezer and chiller here. So this will be a single pole. The freezer connected here and the chiller connected there. So I separate the MCB for them so you can work independently, just in case you're going to troubleshoot. So this also supply this will be my spare MCB single pole. And after this, I also supply the light and the heater, just in case I trace that the unit has a frame heater, pipe heater, or whatsoever I'm going to connect here. So all is connected to this RCD. And this is how you're going to balance the system. Do not ever put only in one phase, otherwise it will create imbalance and your main MCB will.
Come guys, join me in designing a cold room and cool room distribution box, and we have 4 light indicator here. Here's the defective one, we're going to replace it, and I'll make sure that my workmanship is its best. So this one is being approved, and I quotation it to the supplier here, and they offer me a ready-made one, 1 HP with complete set, around 450 BND here. So I prefer to not buy the ready-made one. So let's proceed here anyway. So those who want to learn on how to design or wiring a cold room or cool room will learn. And stay tuned guys. If you wish to
lay out my
this
project
tutorial of mine, you may simply
so I
subscribe
retain
or
the old MCB
or
and
follow me in my Facebook page, so when I upload something you will be notified. Thanks for watching everyone.
Here's how I made.
This is not a complicated things to do.
Then here's the drilling process. Then here's how I installed
plastic
the light indicators
control box
and the tracking cable.
Upgrade it.
If you're new to my channel guys, please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.